How to get a fast auto clicker on iPhone. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Now tap on Switch Control, then tap on Switches. As you do that, tap on New Switches, tap on Screen, tap on Full Screen, then tap on Tab. Go back to Switch Control, tap on Recipes. Now you want to tap on Create New Recipe. Enter the name of new recipe, then you want to tap on Assign a Switch. Tap on Full Screen, then tap on Custom Gesture. As you do that, you will enter to this screen where you want to go ahead and tap on the screen as fast as you can, like you want the auto clicker to tab. After that, you want to tap on Save, that is on the top right corner. Now go back to Recipes, then tap on Launch Recipe. Select Auto, then go back to Recipe again. Go back to Accessibility. Here you want to scroll down to the very bottom and then you want to go ahead and tap on Accessibility shortcut. Now you want to scroll down to the very bottom here again and then you want to select Switch Control. Now when you go ahead and tap on the home button 3 times, auto clicker will activate. And that is how you can get a fast auto clicker on iPhone. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.